Hello students, welcome to SVM Library. Today, in continuity of our previous lesson, future tense, we are going to study future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. First, we'll start with future perfect tense. What is future perfect tense? Future perfect tense indicates that an action will have been completed, finished or perfected at some point in future. It also denotes actions which will start and complete at defined point of time in the future. To form the future perfect tense, the structure is subject plus will have plus past participle of the verb. Here is the past, here is the present, and after present at a specific point in future, this activity will have been completed. Then another activity begins. Now let's discuss the structure of affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence in future perfect tense. And the structure for affirmative sentence is subject plus will plus have plus past participle plus object. For example, he will have done it by this evening. Structure for negative sentence is subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle plus object. For example, he will not have done it by this evening. Structure for interrogative sentence is will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus object plus question mark. For example, will have done it by this evening. Now let's discuss the usage of future perfect tense. First one, to talk about an action that will finish before the certain time in the future. For example, by 8 o'clock tomorrow, I will have taken off for Japan. Second usage, to talk about an action that will be completed before another event takes place. For example, she will have learned Chinese before she moves to China. Third usage, to express conviction that something happened in the near past. For example, the guest will have arrived at the hotel by now. Here are some more examples of affirmative sentences in future perfect tense. By next week, we will have earned lots of money. I will have prepared breakfast by the time the children wake up. The rain will have stopped by tomorrow. They won't have been married by next year. By that time, I will have finished my homework. Some more example for negative sentences in future perfect tense. He will not have received enough score by the summer. They will not have been married by next year. The rain will not have stopped by tomorrow. My mother will not have prepared breakfast by the time my father and brother wake up. Some more example for interrogative sentences in future perfect tense. Will he have finished his work by 5 o'clock? Will they have sent an email until tomorrow? Will people's lives have changed by 10 years? Will we have arrived in China by the next week? Will the concert have started by 20 minutes? The future perfect tense is used for an action which will be finished before a stated future time. For example, he will have delivered all the newspapers by 8 o'clock. The future perfect tense is used with the following time expressions. For example, before, till, until, by the time, by then, etc. Here is a note. Till, until are mostly used in the negative sentences. For example, she will have finished the report by tomorrow. She won't have completed the report till until 6 o'clock. The future perfect tense is used to denote an action which will begin before a definite moment in the future, will continue up to that moment in the future, and will be going on at that moment. For example, Loisa will have been a teacher for 20 years by next May. Some more usage of future perfect tense. Completed action before something in the future. The future perfect expresses the idea that something will occur before another action in the future. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time in the future. For example, by next November, I will have received my promotion. By the time he gets home, she is going to have cleaned the entire house. I am not going to have finished this test by 3 o'clock. Will she have learned enough Chinese to communicate before she moves to Beijing? Sam is probably going to have completed the proposal by the time he leaves this afternoon. By the time I finish this course, I will have taken 10 tests. How many countries are you going to have visited by the time you turn 50? Notice in the examples above that the reference points marked in italics are in simple present rather than simple future. This is because the interruptions are in time clauses and you cannot use future tenses in time clauses. With non-continuous verbs and some non-continuous uses of mixed verbs, we use the future perfect to show that something will continue up until another action in the future. For example, I will have been in London for 6 months by the time I leave. By Monday, Suzanne is going to have had my book for a week. Although the above use of future perfect is normally limited to non-continuous verbs and non-continuous uses of mixed verbs, the words live, work, teach, study are sometimes used in this way even though they are not non-continuous verbs. After future perfect tense, we'll take future perfect continuous tense. First of all, what is future perfect continuous tense? This tense is used to describe an ongoing action that will complete in future. It is used to express the ongoing nature of an action with regards to its continuation towards a point in future. The action is assumed to be continued for a time, specified or unspecified in future. A time reference is used in the sentence to show starting time of the action or for how long the action continues. For time reference of the action, two specific words, since and for, are used in the sentence. The word since is used if the exact starting time, for example, Friday since 10 a.m. of the action is known or intended to be shown in the sentence. The word for is used to express the amount of time, for example, for 5 hours, for 9 months, for which the action continued towards a point in future. We also call this tense as future perfect progressive tense. We use will have been plus present participle to construct a sentence in future perfect progressive tense. The action is ongoing future activity, ends at the point in future. For example, by tomorrow I will have been saving money for a new house for 4 years. Let's discuss the structure of affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence in future perfect continuous tense. Structure for affirmative sentence is subject plus will plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. For example, I will have been eating vegetables for 3 months. Structure for negative sentences is subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. For example, I won't have been eating vegetables for 3 months. Structure for interrogative sentences is will plus subject plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object plus question mark. For example, will you have been eating vegetables for 3 months? Here are some usage of future perfect continuous tense. First one, to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. For example, James will have been teaching at the university for more than a year by the time he leaves for Asia. Next usage, to talk about something that finishes just before another time or action. For example, I will be tired when I get home because I will have been walking for over an hour. Here are some more examples for affirmative sentences in future perfect continuous tense. They will have been living in Paris for 5 years. The kid will have been sleeping since 10 p.m. The doctor will have been treating patients for 2 years. He will have been reading this book since 10 a.m. He will be working as an engineer in this factory since January. We will have been starting your business since May. You will have been using my computer for 5 months. She will have been singing songs for 3 hours. They will have been discussing about the issue for 5 days. They will have been writing essays for 2 hours. Here are some examples for negative sentences in future perfect continuous tense. He will not have been working in the factory for 6 months. She will not have been playing games since November. They will not have been using this car since March. The company will not have been advertising post for 2 years. He will not have been listening to music for 9 hours. She will not have been washing her dresses since June. I will not have been waiting for you for 4 hours. He will not have been running his business since April. She will not have been living here for 5 years. The short form of will not is won't. Therefore, the negative sentences can also be written with won't have been instead of will not have been. See the following examples. He will not have been using his camera for 2 days. He won't have been using his camera for 2 days. Some more example of interrogative sentences in future perfect continuous tense. Will he have been loving her for 5 years? Will she have been studying in the new college since December? Will they have been working in this factory since June? Will the kids have been making a noise for 3 hours? Will they have been using their phone since tomorrow? Will you have been eating vegetables for 3 months? Will she have been singing songs since Monday? Will he have been taking medicine for his illness since Friday? Will I have writing essays for newspaper since Monday? Will she have been teaching the kids since morning? Let's discuss the usage of future perfect continuous tense. First one, duration before something in the future. We use the future perfect continuous to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. For 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday are all durations which can be used with the future perfect continuous. Notice that this is related to the present perfect continuous and the past perfect continuous. However, with future perfect continuous, the duration stops at or before a reference point in the future. For examples, they will have been talking for over an hour by the time Thomas arrives. She is going to have been working at that company for 3 years when it finally closes. James will have been teaching at the university for more than a year by the time he leaves for Asia. How long will you have been studying when you graduate? We are going to have been driving for over 3 days straight when we get to Anchorage. When you finish your English course, will you have been living in New Zealand for over a year? No, I will not have been living here that long. Notice in the examples above that the reference points marked in italics are in simple present rather than simple future. This is because these future events are in time clauses and you cannot use future tenses in the time clauses. Next usage, cause of something in the future. Using the future perfect continuous before another action in the future is a good way to show cause and effect. For example, Jason will be tired when he gets home because he will have been jogging for over an hour. Claudia's English will be perfect when she returns to Germany because she is going to have been studying English in the United States for over 2 years. If you do not include a duration such as for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks or since Friday, many English speakers choose to use the future continuous rather than the future perfect continuous. Be careful because this can change the meaning of the sentence. Future continuous emphasizes interrupted actions, whereas future perfect continuous emphasizes a duration of time before something in the future. For example, he will be tired because he will be exercising so hard. This sentence emphasizes that he will be tired because he will be exercising at that exact moment in the future. Next, he will be tired because he will have been exercising so hard. This sentence emphasizes that he will be tired because he will have been exercising for a period of time. It is possible that he will still be exercising at that moment or that he will just have finished. It is important to remember that non-continuous verbs cannot be used in any continuous tense. Instead of using future perfect continuous with these verbs, you must use future perfect. For example, Ned will have been having his driver's license for over 2 years. This one is not correct. Ned will had his driver's license for over 2 years. It is correct. Here is a practice exercise for you based on future perfect tense. Do it in your copies and note down all the notes in a proper way. And the second exercise is based on future perfect continuous. Solve it. That's all for today. Thank you.